Not Broke fam. What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to everybody that came over from Craig Facts, subscribing to the page, liking the videos. I appreciate y'all. Anyway, let's get down to it. So look, I just saved a whole lot of money on my car insurance. I know that sounds like the commercial, but I'm being for real. Here's the thing. I didn't even know they had a hustle going for me because Cheap Not Broke, we like to save money. Before we get into that, if you haven't, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, or go to www.cheapnotbroke.com and support the page, like the videos, all that good stuff, and like me on Instagram. Now, here we go. Car insurance. So I just got my policy renewed, right? I'm looking in the mail. My car insurance is regularly like $126. I looked at my policy, it went up to $165. I said, hell no, what y'all doing? So I said, what's going on? I called them up and they said, Mr. Hall, you did not fill out the mileage form. I said, what's the mileage form? So apparently a mileage form is this. The average amount of miles that somebody drives is 12,000 miles. That's a whole lot of miles. You must be a Uber driver. But that's the average. Now, people are working from home now, right? So you may not drive 12,000. You might drive 7 or 6 or 2,000 miles. But the average is 12. So what they do is your rate is based on the average miles you drive. So they had me down for 12,000 miles. I say, I don't drive that many miles. I work from home now. I drive like 2,000 miles. I told them that. They adjusted that. And my rate came back down to the 126. So why am I saying all this? They might be overcharging you because you got too many miles down. You might not even know. They might got you down for that 12,000 miles because I'm thinking that's the standard. I call a couple other insurance companies to figure this out. And that is the standard. The standard is 12,000 miles. That's about so when you try to get in car insurance, if you don't tell them how many miles you drive, which is probably lower than that, they're going to put you down for 12,000 miles. You're like, damn, why is my bill so high? Even if you get general, he probably going to charge you too. The general, I might be some bullshit. I don't know. But listen, you got to go and check because you got to check up on the stuff because every now and then you might be able to save some money on your car insurance. You might want to shop around. Just like, hey, it's inflation right now. You might need to check and see if you can get a new job and make some more money. Prices are going up. Your price needs to go up too. But however, insurance is going up. You might need to bring it back down by finding a new provider. You can always try to save money by switching with somebody else. Everybody trying to overcharge you, do all this other stuff. And another thing with the insurance, you want to call and make sure that everything is in line because they'll add some funny stuff in there. They'll change your policy, add some new stuff in there that you didn't know. Make sure you still qualify for all those discounts, good driver discount. Make sure you haven't had any tickets or anything like that. You just don't want to be paying all this extra money in car insurance. And then you got the deductible. Deductible can be $500, $1,000, all kind of different things. I don't know what your deductible is, but you want to call and find out. Maybe you can save some money, maybe you can't, because at least the less your deductible is, the higher your monthly bill is. So you want to check on all that good stuff. But the thing is this: car insurance, life insurance, health insurance, you got to pay all these things. But they do have competition. You might be able to find somebody cheaper. You always want to find somebody cheaper. That's what Cheap Not Broke is all about, right? We're trying to save. Oh, by the way, you can go to www.cheapnotbroke.com and grab a t-shirt. Got black, got white, got red. Whatever you choose, we got the color for you. But back to the car insurance. Car insurance, there's so many different companies out there. However, now state to state, it varies. I live in Los Angeles. It's high as hell out here because, it's just dense, a lot of people, traffic, and all that good stuff. We pay a little more in Los Angeles, probably pay a little more in New York as well. But in some other states, you might be saving some money. But you can save some more money if you go with somebody else. Somebody else might be out there. I got a deal for you, baby. Come on over here. What's your car insurance? Well, shit, how much you paying right now? I'm paying $150. Oh, we can get you down to $130. But you don't know unless you call. All you got to do is call and get a quote. Call and get a quote. Figure out what's going on. Or you can even do it online. See if you can save some money. There's always a way you can cut back. Every now and then you want to call and see if you can go to some better competition and save some money. Somebody's always trying to save some money. Somebody's always trying to get your business. So don't deny them that. Don't deny them your business. Let them help you. Let them give it an opportunity to make that money and save you some money because new companies pop up all the time. Back in the beforehand, all you had was hotels. Now you have Airbnb competition. Do I want to get an Airbnb? Do I want to get a hotel? What you gonna save me money? which is the best bang for my buck. Because you may not save any money, but you might be getting more value. You know, you might be spending $5, you might get 2 items. You spend $5 so much, you get 7 items plus a buy one, get one soda. I don't know. They might give you soda, they may not. But I'm just saying this. You want to get value. This is about value. It's not always about saving money. Being cheap is saving money, but value. Can I get the most for my money? Can you get the most out of that $20? Because you might spend 15 and get 6 items, 7 items, or whatever. You might spend 20, you get 4 items, but you get the free service where you can call in and get some help. You might get the free service where they'll send you something free every 6 or 7 months. I don't know, but you want to always pay for value. Sometimes, look, being cheap is a strategy. It's not about just buying the cheapest stuff. Being cheap is, hey, can I get the most out of my money? Can my money work harder for me buying this versus that? Okay, because sometimes low quality, it breaks, you got to buy it again. That's not being cheap. Being cheap is buying the one that has the lifetime warranty, because now you can take it back and swap it out. Did you know you have brakes for your car, their lifetime warranty? You can just take them in and swap them out. You don't ever have to buy brakes again. They have a lifetime warranty. Why do I know this? Guys work at AutoZone and O'Reilly's. You can buy your brakes. When you get your new brakes, take them out, buy new brakes, take the old ones off, swap them out, and get the new brakes. And that's how it works as far as brakes when you go to AutoZone and O'Reilly's. That's a whole nother video. I'll do a whole nother video on how you can get your lifetime brakes and never pay for brakes. But back to car insurance, back to trying to find value in things. I'm getting more value because now I get a rental car. By the way, I am going to switch car insurance companies. I called around and I did find somebody better. So I'm going to switch and I'm getting more value. I'm paying less money and getting more value. Why? Because this company is in a better situation to give me more for my money. And that's okay. You know, there's nothing wrong with shopping around trying to get business. Don't be loyal to the company. Be loyal to the value. Be loyal to what you get. They work for you. They're trying to earn your business. And sometimes we're just loyal to these companies just because we've been shopping there for 20 years, 30 years, 10 years, whatever. It's right down the street. Forget that. Go where you can get the most value, bang for your buck. That's what you want. That's what you're trying to get. All right? Cheap, not broke. That's what we out here doing. The summertime is coming up. Gas is going up. But we at Cheap Not Broke, we're going to drive them prices down. That's what we do. That's exactly what we do. Like I said, like this video, subscribe, hit that like button. Shout out to all my people from Craig Facts. I appreciate y'all coming over. I'm going to do another video. If you did catch it, I'm doing another travel video. Another travel course next month. It's going to be like $10 to get in. And I'm going to show you how to save money while you're traveling. With the hotel, the flight. There's some things you can do to cut some corners to save some money. So I'm going to show you how you can travel and get the most value, most bang out of your buck. Because sometimes people buy the flights too late, trying to pay cash. Put in your credit card and pay it off. It's a whole better way to travel. That's a whole nother story. Last month, I just did travel miles and mileage points. Next month, we do how to travel efficiently, and how to travel cheaper and better. All right? Until then, stay cheap, not broke. Like the videos, all that good stuff. Until then, I will see you all later.